I could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying about me, fool?
What's up, man?
I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit.
Man, why don't you just take it easy?
No disrespect, man. But you can't drive for shit.
Thanks, man. Nah. Say what you really mean.
They
Such
start
a
no
good
pilot.
government, homie. You gotta ride shotgun. Show
Bye.
CJ what's cracking.
Quarter young.
And you know something? You right. Cheers, CJ. You can drive, homie.
He's tripping.
វាអូថាយើងនឹងផ្កាយបែបផ្កាយអីចឹងណា
Don't block me, homie.
ថាយើងផ្កាយបែកឡានហើយ
Where we going, homie?
Roland Heights, Paula's country.
Do us a little drive.
ហើយជីពួកអានៅម្ដុំ
You
ហ្នឹង
know
វា
something,
នេះ
matter
ទៅ
of fact, you're a chauffeur for this little gig. Come on.
Gee, thanks.
បើកអីឈួតអីចឹងបោកអីចឹងណាហើយវាឲ្យយើងទៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងដល់ទៅអីប្រហែលជាបើកគ្នាណាមិនទៅ
Yeah, Paula's turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure. I'm ready.
Come on, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting.
Listen to the man, fool, and try not to park us up a tree or something.
Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat.
អូយតបាញ់ជួយវា
Speed up a little. We sit.
អត់មានភ្លើងហ្នឹង
Whoa!
We iced them, CJ. Let's hunt down some more. Damn, man. Move. Move.
តែមានកន្លែងមិញមួយតែវាអត់តន់ឲ្យឥឡូវឲ្យ
Move it, CJ.
អត់បាន
That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more Paula food. Stab out of here, CJ.
What you waiting for, CJ? Find us some more ballers so we can cap 'em.
ឈុនលើកភ្លើង
Speed up a little. We sit. Smash on it, Carl. Smash.
មានខាងកំប៉ុងទៀតកាយពីរទៀតឥឡូវទៅអី spray shop តែអាកន្លែងបាញ់ថ្នាំវាទៅកន្លែងបាញ់ថ្នាំឡានទៅពួកនឹកហើយពួកលីមើលអត់ស្គាល់តែមើលស្គាល់យើងរួចខ្លួន យើងកាយពីរដល់ពេលចូលហ្នឹងទៅបាញ់ថ្នាំពណ៌ទៅអាប៉ូលីសមើលស្គាល់វាអស់ចាយ
Gotta take a lead.
ឲ្យជិះឡានចូលអស់100ឡាម្ដងឡានប្រសងគេលីងនៅក៏ដែរក៏មើលអត់ស្គាល់ដែរកុំឲ្យតែយើងទៅបុកវាអញ្ចឹងទៅអាហ្នឹងមិនពីស្គាល់តែពេលយើងបុកវាស្គាល់ហើយ
Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. What, dead?
Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today. You're down with the Grove and the ball is knowing. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.
អត់ហាត់ទេវាហើយចូលផឹកអីឥឡូវផឹកអីបានតែមួយទៅការបានតែមួយ